Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be introducing you to this amazing app that pays you just for conducting little survey online. Okay, so all you just need to do is to take up your phone, navigate yourself to Play Store and download Premise. Have you ever heard of the Promise app? A Promise app allows you to make money from online for free just by conducting a little survey. Okay, all you just need to do on this very place is to conduct a little survey, provide the information you were asked to provide, and that you will get paid straight to your wallet. If you can see, I just started and this is what I just earned, and in this very place you can withdraw anything 1406 naira more to cash out. Okay, so okay, you can withdraw anything 2000 naira, you can cash out. Okay, so all you just need to do is to quickly get up your phone and get yourself to your Play Store and type in Premise. Okay, there's a Play Store. Let's go to the Play Store and say type in Premise and download Premise. Okay, the registration process is users friendly. You can see this is the app. I've downloaded it already, which is why it's showing me to open. You can see the logo. You can see the reviews that it has. It's over 185,000 reviews, and you can see over 10 million people downloaded this very app. This to show you that this app is actually working and is paying. Okay, so let's quickly go back to the app so that you can see. Let's do some few introductions. In this very app, there is a task you need to perform or you can get paid. You can see your where you can set up your profile. You can see I victory76@gmail.com. You can see my email. So bonuses and events, and more bonuses and events. This is where you can join now to earn more bonuses and events. And away from the tasks you perform on this very app, you can invite friends to join Premise using your invitations link as well, which is here. You copy it here and send it to them, to your friends to sign up. Okay, the moment your friends sign up, you will be given some bonuses. Okay, so you can see, you can just click on the invitation link, share it on WhatsApp, Facebook. You can also share it on Telegram, email, and even through YouTube. You can send it and someone can sign up, and after signing up you will be getting paid for that. Okay, so the first thing I want to explain to detail is the task environment. Okay, you can see, and sometimes the moment you sign up, you'll be issued an unpaid task so that they will see your capability and see how competent that you are. Okay, you can see this is one of the unpaid tasks. You can see it be featured on our social media. You can see that. You can see explore. No tasks are currently available, or check back later. You can see the survey as well. You conduct survey here and also you get paid. No tasks are currently available for now. So recommended for you is this unpaid task. The moment you do finish up this unpaid task, then a task will appear for you in your survey and also explore path for you to keep going. Okay, so if you want to participate on this unpaid task, you can just click on here, and the moment you click on here, you can just click on start now and answer just few simple questions, and you be acquainted with how those questions have been set on this Premise app. Okay, so you use this free app to kind of to understand the nature of the question that they will be sending to you. Okay, so sometimes they will ask you to take a picture of a particular place and send it to them. You can see this is what I've earned so far, and you can see I have some few unpaid tasks here. You can also see the change, the climate change. I have a task here that I can do right now and be paid 12 naira per task. Okay, and whatever you're doing, you want a means of cashing out. Okay, so let's see some of those means of cashing out. The first means of cashing out here is through mobile top up. Minimum cash out here is 1,900. That is the mobile top up. You can use it to buy your recharge card and others. You can see in this very place you can add your account, add new mobile top up account to cash out your balance. Okay, you can use mobile top up to kind of use it to buy airtime and charge. Okay, balance too low for now and cash out. Okay, so we'll keep working on this place to see how we'll be able to cash out in the nearest time. Then the second mode of cashing out is through Bitcoin BTC wallet. Minimum cash out here is 16,060 naira. Okay, so the minimum cash out here is 16,060 naira. All you need to do on this very place is to add in an external wallet and start making money with it. Okay, and start cashing out. Okay, so don't forget the minimum cashing out here is 16,060 naira. You can see here. So all you just need to do now is to play start signing up and start making your money from the comfort of your home. All you just need is just your smartphone and simple network connection. Okay, so I will be stopping here for today. If you do have any question, do well to kind of chat me up at the comment sections and I will get you ASAP. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share. On this very channel, we'll keep bringing to you a lot of online opportunity that will allows you to make money from comfort of your home. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I will see you in my next video. Drop your comments and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you. Bye.